Actually, I always knew, but now I know. Whoa! Are you okay? Who locked up right now? Damn, dude, we're fucking close. Oh, fuck! Are you fucking serious? Look at these fucking holes, dude! Look at these fucking holes in the street! Oh my god, bro! Oh, shit! Alright, there we go. God dang, bro! Oh god! I bunny hopped one, bro. Why are they there, bro? Hey, if I eat, my ball. If I eat shit on one of these, I'm suing the state, bro. But dude, those are straight craters, dude. Look at that shit, dude. Oh, they probably could have finished like filling in those holes, but the fucking 5 o'clock bell rang and they had to go home. Fuckers. They need to be doing overtime on this shit, bro. They need to get paid, dude. God, dude, that fucking sucked, dude. I hit my butthole on the sea, dude. And like, it wasn't like a normal hit, dude. God, there's still more, bro. Oh. You know, if they didn't put all that money into a fucking bullet train, dude, they could have probably put it into fixing these roads. Goddamn show off. Jesus, dude. You're good, dude. Where's that show off, bro? You guys want to see a real Willie? You have to watch someone else. We're playing musical motorcycles here. Huh? Oh shit, thank you, bro. I don't got an earplug. I got my Beats earbuds, but you know. Yeah, dude. Yeah, show off. Alright, dude. We good to go? No. That's not a real thing to say. Oh, I got a quick shift on here too. Yeah, I feel like I'm wearing a girdle, bro. What? Oh shit. Alright. Jesus, dude. I feel totally naked on this, dude. I'm going 40 miles an hour, that's it? One day maybe the speedometer will read the right speed. I don't know how fast I'm going. Oh dude, this is like so comfy right now too. I forgot I had a quick shift on this bitch. We're just waiting for you. Yeah, this mirror, bro. I want to see behind me, bro. There's nothing reflecting the wind on this, dude. Hello. Watch the bumps, bro. Watch the bumps. God dang, dude. Oh, shit. God dang. Oh, Jesus. Mesh intercom. Channel 1. Oh, so far. About 30 minutes. 30-ish. What? like my nutsack's tucked. Is this like reverse kilometers an hour on this bike, bro? Yeah, it's like a woman that don't shave her legs. Dude, my contacts are so dry right now. Doesn't help that I slept in them and I didn't take them out. That was good, dude. Whoa! That is not good. That's definitely a no now.